What's good, chat? Wrong platform. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Opie and I'm back with another video, man. Alright, so boom, check this out, right? I know in my last video I told you I'm gonna be more consistent. And y'all haven't seen me post in 2 months. And I could explain, feel me? Some of y'all may know and some of y'all may not. But I've been streaming every day on Twitch, feel me? I've been streaming every day, consistently, non-stop. So whenever I'm not on here, I'm on Twitch, bro. So feel me? Stop what you're doing right now. Go tap into the Twitch. You feel me? We get litty over there, we get live over there, feel me? It's active, I ain't going front. All right, but enough politicking, let's hop straight into the video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we about to be eating people's DoorDash food in front of them, feel me? I don't even know what to expect, I'm keeping a buck. I don't know if niggas are gonna try to, feel me, if niggas gonna try to test gangster, they gonna try to panic on me, I don't know, bro. But we about to get litty. I'm about to link my man so he can help me film this video. I ain't gonna lie, it's like, what, 80 degrees outside now? I'm wearing all black, bro, I'm bugging. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and turn on post notifications, bro, because I ain't gonna lie. I know I said it in my last video, I'm gonna be consistent, bro, but this time, bro, it's summertime, bro. It's only right I get right, feel me? So yeah, just make sure y'all stay up to date with what I got going on, Twitch, everything, feel me? And yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all.
They really ordered fucking... Oh, you ordered a meal.
Like what? Oh shit, bad. What the
Mad
fuck?
shit.
Oh dog.
Right.
Oh no, it just says no sauce. No sauce.
I'm gonna get french fries. Bro, I be feeling so weird, like, I don't know, bro.
Holding the camera like that?
I mean, I'm getting used to talking to it because of the Twitch shit, but it's like having people watch me look at it. Yeah, bro.
You gotta get used to that shit.
Fuck it though. You feel me? It's about to be my life and shit.
This nigga cheesy. Cheesy, bro.
This nigga, who you phone cuffing,
I don't even
bro?
want to show y'all.
Damn. It's like that?
Bro,
Can I get like you, my boy?
Looking at it was some tweet shit.
Yeah,
I'm not even going.
You got 10-piece nuggets, man.
I gotta get slippers for summer too.
I need
Yeah,
those.
bro.
Gangsta, I need those.
Bro, I had to get these.
I was trying to get those. Bot got them in the crib right
Them
now.
shits is fire,
If
bro.
I get them, you got it.
I've been wanting these shits for like a whole year.
What?
Yeah.
Shit like the same height as Romeo, bro.
Why you talking shit, man? That is though.
He get sturdy? Yo, I see. Yeah, I want to see you get sturdy.
Alright, the only thing I can't really...
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you was doing some dumb shit on Pretty Baby.
I was just wildin'. Nigga said, yo, go crazy. Nigga said, yo, go crazy.
Nah.
The thing is, I can't get low like y'all niggas pose. Like, I can't do that shit.
What?
Like, be
Bad
all on
man
y'all knees
ting.
and shit, bro. That's
Bad man ting.
Y'all niggas be wildin'.
I ain't gonna lie, I be.
Y'all niggas be getting low like this and then pop it back up.
Only Opie be doing that jump.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
That's Opie sturdy.
I got the mega knees. Pause, nah. Alright, nah, never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. Pause, bro. How you doing, Peter, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't put the fries in the bag for some reason.
Oh, that's okay.
So yeah,
Yeah, that's all good.
sorry. Oh, it's still low. Let me see.
That's all right. Is that yours or mine?
No, it's yours, but I want to make sure it's not like cold or anything like that.
Oh, gotcha, I gotcha. All right. Yeah, no problem.
You sure?
Yeah, it's all good.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
Are you sure you don't? Nah, it's mine, bro.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah, bro.
I
You're not
thought-
gonna say nothing about me eating your food, bro?
Oh, I thought you were.
Nah, you good, bro. Nah, you valid, bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Yo, what the fuck? Nigga, bro, nigga was like, it's cool. Like, I'm like,
I knew it, bro.
Oh, what the fuck?
Scared, nigga.
Oh, fuck.
He's scared of you.
Yeah, nigga, it's cool. Like, oh, fuck, nigga. Fuck,
Did you
nigga.
tell him it was a prank?
I told him, nah, it's mine, bro. But like, he was like, oh, okay. I'm like, yo, I don't know, bro. All right. DoorDash. Courtney, right? Alright, it's this. I don't know what this is yours, right?
I don't know. What the heck is that?
I don't know.
I don't want it. You just ate it.
What you mean?
You just ate it.
I was chasing it for you.
What are you talking about? Since when do niggas taste food for people?
But I'm just, it's kind of cold and shit, so I didn't want you like.
I ain't gonna lie. Just give me the rest of the food.
You don't want this?
No. It's COVID going on.
Bro, come on. Like, we family. Like, I'm Jamaican too. Like,
Bro,
come on, chill. Look, it's valid. Like,
nigga, I don't want that shit. Give me the rest of the food. What are you doing?
My fault.
What? Where do they do that at?
No, I'm joking. It's not yours. It's a prank. I got it. I'm crying. Thought he was not jacking it. The fuck?
Yes, sir.
Good, DoorDash, right? Yeah. Alright, it's yours. They didn't put this shit in the bag for some reason. I don't know, your muffin. This is, yeah, hold on, let me. Here. You don't want it, bro? You said what? God damn.
Okay.
You don't want the muffin, bro?
No, nigga.
You said, bro, nigga. I just wanted to feel me if it was valid or not, gang.
Nigga.
Bro, what you mean nah?
That shit. I gotta take it.
Bro, TP, bro. Yo, what you throwing that shit at me for, bro? Yo, open the door, bro. Bro, why you being pussy, bro? What's up? This nigga is day room, bro. My nigga is day room, bro.
Nigga, yo, what's this Eddie right here?
Shit.
Yo, take down the Eddie. He's gonna come and post on that one day.
Nigga, it's fucking 4503 or some shit like that. His day room ass, bro. Yo, this nigga threw that shit at my mata, bro. Oh, you heaven, right?
Yeah. You eating my ice cream?
Huh?
You eating my ice cream?
I was just tasting for you. It's hot. I'm sorry.
What?
What do you mean? You don't want it?
What?
The ice cream.
Where's my ice cream?
This.
No.
Why you don't want it?
Huh?
Why you don't want it?
Well, are the kids eating?
What happened?
Where's my ice cream?
It's heaven. Grape nut, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? What's going on? Is everything okay?
Yes.
Oh no, bro, it's hot, so I just took a little. I mean, it's fine. It's not. COVID is done. Like.
Oh, okay, so come on, come play with me or not?
What?
Where's my ice? Where's my order?
It's right here. Why you keep laughing?
Get in.
There you go.
They order our ice cream and the delivery driver can't come and eat it and tell me so out of the door. You want to eat some? No, hold on. Come in, dog. Come in.
You don't want it?
Hell no, I don't want it.
Why not?
Are you? No, hold on. Are you serious right now?
Why you don't want it?
Why would I want it?
What's the problem? What's going on? You confusing me, honestly.
No, you confusing me. Where's my order?
It's right. I don't.
Hold on, I can't even see how over camera order come.
It's heaven, right?
Yeah.
Grape nut from Ozzy's ice cream.
Ozzy's, yes.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Why not? It's hot. I just took a few bites. That's all.
So who's gonna eat that?
It's yours. You ordered it, right?
I'm not eating that.
Why not?
Why would I want to eat that?
What's the problem with it though?
So why would you eat it?
It's hot. I just took a couple like scoops. That's it.
Are you being funny right now?
No, I'm not.
I don't want that.
But it's yours.
Then why would you eat it?
It's hot. I just took two. Look, all right, look. You can eat the other side. I ate from that side. You can eat the other side. There's nothing. Look, the other side is still good.
I don't want that.
There's nothing wrong with it though.
Where's my order? Because
No, seriously, this is yours.
you can't be serious.
Nah, seriously. No, I'm joking. I'm doing a prank on you. I'm joking. Let me go get it for you. Yo, pass me the bag, bro. Nah, not that one. The other one. Good looking, gangy. Sorry, I'm a YouTuber, so I just. Yeah.
What's your channel? What's the name?
Don't worry. I'm sorry.
Please to close the day.
You said, oh, no problem. Have a good one. You said what?
The guy just said you gotta give her Kashi.
Oh, I should have, right? Damn, I'm about to. Nah, I ain't gonna violate. This nigga, she didn't even write the name down, bro. Nah, bro. Shorty was panicking, bro.
Yeah, I'm like, why are you even asking? You should just be like, I'm not putting you in the list.
I told, bro. Man. We over with it. Hold on.
This video's over, man. I'm not doing this shit anymore.
I'm sorry, but drilling's my hobby. Don't stop for the boys, it's a hospi. If we cannot get him, then we just gon' come to his building and smoke in his lobby. Off the perk, I be moving to Oppie. Just itching to catch me a body. Might slide with a pistol or shotty. Big sticks like we playing hockey.